Real Estate Training Guide: How to Become a Successful Real Estate Agent. Real estate training is essential for the people who want to become a successful real estate broker. It helps them to learn all about real estate business. Real estate business requires some time, some basic knowledge of the business and skill to perform all transactions. Real estate business will be one of the good carriers for a hard-working person. Real estate training suggests them all the ways to achieve their goals. License is the basic requirement to become a real estate agent. Even it is an essential thing to conduct real estate business. Real estate internet is the best option to join real estate business. Some states provide online training courses that will help you to complete pre-license requirements. Before joining real estate business, people should satisfy some pre-license requirements. They should be of at least 19 years, be managed a proctored exam, have high school diploma or some equivalent to it, pass a state exam, have completed a least approved course. Generally, real estate training gives some guidelines to understand some real estate basics. They can easily learn about ownership transfer, real estate law and math with the help of real estate training. They are taught how to deal with real estate transactions during their course. Real estate training enables them to understand the tips and tricks of the real estate contracts. People who want to join some state-approved courses should have initial license. Anyone can be a successful real estate agent after completing real estate training. They can run a successful business only if they have great professional habits, good salesmanship and the enthusiasm to learn more about real estate. Real estate business requires great working skill. People can learn about real estate business with some related books. They can also join some online courses that provide information via internet. Nowadays, several people are making money in real estate business. Real estate brokers should be kind, knowledgeable, efficient as well as trustworthy. They should know the skill how to attract more customers. They can also take some suggestion from the experienced real estate agents. Real estate business may be wonderful business, but only thing that it requires real estate training. If you want to get access to the search engine for real estate investors, click the link in description.